विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो। बुधवारा जावपी मंत्रिमंडळाच्या बसकेत ट्राफिक नेम पास करून घेवपाचो विचार आसा। हो कायदो 1 जानेर सावन लागू जातलो। सामान्य गुन्यांवांचेर तणाव कमी करपाचो प्रस्ताव घातिल्लो आसा। मात सोरो पिवन गाडी चलोवपाक जे दंड पडटा तेच भरचे पडटले। त्या दंडाक कांय कपात जावची ना म्हूण येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन कळीत केलां। आरडेक्स्को खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
Will come into force from the 1st of January. In fact, tomorrow is a cabinet meeting. I am trying to get it passed in tomorrow's cabinet meeting so that it will be implemented as of 1st January. It is up to the cabinet, even though I have proposed lowering of the rates for normal offences, and certain offences where we have no power, they will remain as it is. For example, drunken driving, there is going to be no relaxation whatsoever. More or less, we are choosing the Gujarat model. In Gujarat, they have lowered the fines for several offences. So we are trying to follow Gujarat and maybe a little bit of what is being followed in Maharashtra as well.